Alright, good morning. Thanks for checking out the double-decker dragon fruit trellis. Now the reason why I had to create this is because there was an existing garden bed and I wanted to reuse it. Now the one in the background is a single layer, and after I built that I learned that I could double the amount of trellis on the top. Now what I'm gonna do is I have 7 varieties in here, and I usually don't recommend planting them together, but this is a very large raised garden bed. It's about 9 feet by 4, and again the roots can go freely into the soil below. Now my strategy is the sun-loving varieties will be on the top layer up here, and they'll provide some shade for the varieties that don't like a full sun. So then they'll go down here. So that way I'll double the amount of space that I can gather my cuttings and my fruit. This is about 22 inches of a difference, so it's plenty of space for me to reach in and gather whatever I need. Now the top layer is also very sturdy, and what I used is a lot of rebar. So you could see how I set it up, and we've done a video on the single layer, so you can see that here if you want to watch more on it, how I created this. But man, this thing, I'm really excited. It's so sturdy and it's gonna fill in nicely and quickly. So I do like to wrap, this is 4-inch drain pipe, it's hollow, but it's attached to the rebar, and I like to wrap it in burlap. The dragon fruit like to attach their roots to that. That's a must in my opinion. In addition, there's diatomaceous earth on there to keep pests from eating them. And here's a very beautiful variety here. Everything's just doing really, really well. This is K. Mr. Wu is very happy as well. So in no time, I mean, I literally just finished this. You can see the amount of growth on these plants already, and they're gonna reach up, and I'm gonna train them to go to either this layer or the layer above. So again, here's our double-decker, very, very sturdy trellis, and I used a lot of 1/2-inch rebar, and the wood is 4x4 cedar. No, redwood, excuse me, redwood. Okay, there you go.